just want to ask this one question. Just answer this one question. 3 times I was arrested. First time in 2010, the arrest warrant, I have evidence, I'll release it now. Arrest warrant says that rape charge, 376 I think, the section 375 or 376, rape charge. I was arrested. Who was raped? Nobody knows. And after 50 days, the police comes and tells the court, we don't have evidence for him doing any 375, 376 activity, means raping. They don't have any evidence for me raping anyone. How many days? After 50 days, keeping me in jail. They come and tell in the court. So, why I was arrested on rape charge? And show me a single case where without a victim, somebody was accused of rape and arrested and kept in jail. Single other religious, non-Hindu religious guru or non-Hindu religious leader arrested, one person in India, show me. I am challenging anyone, whether the law and order agencies or the media, self-styled media godmen. Answer. 3 times I was arrested. Not even one arrest is legally justified, because all these 3 arrests are not for prosecution, to eliminate me, to kill me. All the 3 arrests were planned conspiracy for killing me, either through mob lynching or by poisoning. It was all attempt to murder me, kill me. Show me a single case in India after independence. Any one non-Hindu religious leader arrested on rape charge without a victim. And after 50 days coming and telling in the court, high court, there is no evidence for him raping anyone. Then why did you arrest me? You want to call this prosecution? We have evidences where the Karnataka CID chief goes to Facebook and asks for victims to come forward. Can you project that? See the fun. CID chief goes on Facebook and appeals to victims to come forward and depose against Swami Nityananda. So far, no one has bothered to respond to his pokes. Police is supposed to investigate the crimes happened. If there is a victim, they should find accused. They should be searching for accused. Here, they find and name someone as accused and then try to find victims. You call this as a prosecution. Which standard? It is called prosecution. I will bring this to the international attention. All this tamasha can go on inside India. For international standard, this all won't stand. End of the day, I am telling you, whatever was done on me not matches even 1% of the standards of prosecution. Neither arrest, nor charge sheet, nothing, not one step fits with the definition of prosecution. The whole thing is persecution. I am telling you, 3 times they arrested me. In 2012, 2 times. What for? The criminals, conspirators come inside my campus, has beaten all my sannyasis in that mob lynching attempt. Fortunately, I escaped without getting killed. Because of that, they filed a case on me. How dare you can escape when our people have come to kill you? What kind of a sadhu you are? Afraid of life? You ran away? So they arrested me. And I went and surrendered to the court, telling that, please, you give me protection and bail. And the funny thing, court denies bail, and it's a non-bailable offense. And when I walk out of the court, the police arrests me. What for? To protect me. Oh God. Understand, if you arrest criminals who are trying to lynch me, do the mob lynching, then it is giving me protection. If you arrest me, then it is tyranny. And the reason given for arresting me is to protect him. You want to call this as protection? If you want to protect me, then keep me in the ashram and protect the ashram. Over. Why you want to keep me in your prison? And that also undisclosed location. It's a clear attempt to murder. Eliminate. Kalabhairava directly protected me. That's the truth. Kalabhairava directly protected me. That's the truth. I want the whole world, all the Hindus to know. Oh, they come and tell the court, oh, we don't have any evidence for he raping anyone. Then why did you arrest? Whole world knows. Your plan was to kill me, eliminate me. Even now I am not afraid of death. But I want the world to know, if I am killed, I neither committed suicide nor got killed because of any illegal affair or illegal immoral matters. I stood for Hinduism and questioned all the anti-Hindu activities, brought the international attention to anti-Hindu activities. Because of that I got killed. Let this narrative be right. That's all I want. The world should not be cheated with the false narratives.